And we should wait. Alright, opening a long trade. Maybe it's a bit early. Just a little. But we have a level in this zone with bouncing off it twice already. And there is nothing stopping us from doing it again. The price is frozen. We had a very long downtrend and now we can see a reversal pattern forming. Looks like a head and shoulders pattern. Maybe even a double bottom will show up. But we absolutely no thought need to open a trade from this level. The price is slowly rising. There is no real reaction yet, but it could easily change. We are near the start point. Everything is possible. Okay, wake up. Let's go up. We are above the entry point. Oh my god. Stop fooling around. Nope. Okay. We're still within the level. Let's open another trade. When we will add more using the martingale strategy. It's lagging. Open high gold. Got it. Well, things aren't going quite as planned. Yes, finally. It's dropping. But there's still a chance it's a great spot for buyers to step in. Let's just wait. Still no positive movement. It's rising, but it's still slow. We are climbing. That's good. Already about the entry point. I don't know. It's not looking great, but come on, please. Go up. We lost first trade. Lost the second one. Awesome. Okay, -2. Cool, guys. Super cool. Whatever. Let's open 3 trades right at the right spot using martingale again. There is a reaction at level. We can sure see that just staying calm. We lost 3,000 bags, but we will make it back just as fast. So for now, we're still dropping. We have 1 minute left. We'll bounce back. There is no other way. Yes! Yes, 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 yes! That's what I'm talking about. See, we should have opened from this zone. There are more buyers here than in any other areas. Yes! Oh my god, finally! Simply brilliant. Never give up. Never give up, guys. Just a little bit more. Oh my god. 3, 2, 1. Yes, perfect. Should have opened trade slower. Okay, let's change the strategy. After something like this, we need to take a break from levels. We need to have a break. I'll choose the moving average and super trend, why not? Let's tweak the moving average, period 50, thickness 3. And let's add another indicator, Williams R. Let's add currency pairs and pin them at the top. Okay. Now we are ready to trade. Let's quickly find the setup. Oh, I just almost forgot. Let me show you how this strategy works. You already know about the moving average, so I'll explain Williams R. This accelerator helps identify overbought and oversold zones, similar to RSI. It also has two ranges. 20 indicates overbought and minus 80 means oversold. The moving average in the strategy works the same way. Now super trend, it's a support indicator showing the price direction. If during an uptrend the price is above both the super trend and the moving average, we look for long trades. And opposite, during a downtrend, if the price is below the moving average and the super trend, we look for shorts. Does it make sense, guys? But only when there is contact with the moving average. Let's find a trade and I'll explain you. While we are looking for trades, you can join my Telegram channel and see what's going on there. If you have already joined, you're the best. Good job, guys. And be sure to try trading with my analysis. But be quick, it doesn't work for long. The market changes quickly. Okay. keep searching. Alright, this setup looks good. But let's wait a bit. Then price touch the moving average. Yes, open a long trade. As I said, according to this strategy, we see a buy on super trend. The moving average has touched the chart and Williams R is in the oversold zone. It's the time for buyers to step in now. The trend itself is positive, so we are opening a trade in line with the overall trend. Let's see how it goes. Nothing yet. You can see how supertrend and moving average influence the price. It's like they act as support level. That's the whole point of these indicators. They show zones where it's good for buyers or sellers to step in. When the price crosses the indicator, it often changes direction, like bouncing off a level. Williams R confirms the signals from the other indicators. Look, we're already climbing out of minus 80 zone, and on the chart we are growing strong and steady. So good. Okay, just a little more to go. This is a 100% win. Nothing can go wrong here. And okay, awesome guys, profit. A really beautiful start. But honestly, it couldn't have gone any other way. Super. Let's go find trades. All right, the chart is loading. Jeez. It's okay, let's wait, relax, refresh. Okay, it's really good. Let's keep searching, let's check other currency pairs. Found something, but we should wait. I think they can hang on a bit. Meanwhile, feel free to ask your questions in the comment section or in my Telegram bot, whatever. I'll be answering questions where to. We are waiting, then price will go down. Just a bit more patience. Let's wait. Sometimes it's very difficult to wait. I wanna open now. And It went back. Maybe it's risky. Okay, I'll take risk. And open from this zone. The super trend and the moving average are at the same level, so we can expect a bounce from here, just like a support level. Williams R is stuck in the pit at the -80 zone, and it really wants to climb out. The trend itself is upward, and with the strategy we always trade along the trend. It meets less resistant level. The price dipped slightly. The chart's loading. Alright, here we go. Nice, guys, so nice. The moving average is now above the super trend line, which means the price is going up. Everything looking great. And on Williams R, we quickly got out of the pit. No way we could lose our money. No way. I don't like this red candle, but I think it's nothing. Yes, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, and that's another win. Perfect. That's the second profitable trade in a row with this strategy, and I adore this strategy. It's so simple but effective. Alright, I found something, but we will need to watch this for a bit. Not sure yet. Okay. Let's move on. I'll take the risk and open a trade here, but this one's very risky. We've got a bounce of the moving average. Super trend says buy, and Williams are at the bottom. According to the strategy, the price should jump up. Let's watch. But it's not happening. Why? Actually, this is just a pullback within a downtrend, not an upward trend. For an actual upward trend, we need both the highs and lows of the price to rise. And right now, only the highs are increasing, but the lows stay where they are. I entered here at my own risk, and now you know you should not do that. The trend has been changed. Absolutely no chance here. Okay. Let's watch. We will cover it. 2, 3, alright. Another loss. Lost 1,000 bucks. Because this was a correction, not a trend reversal. The price kept falling afterward. Well, this is a lesson for us. Let's check new opportunities. Meanwhile, let me tell you about one of my students. I've known him for almost 3 years now, and I'm so proud of him. He soaked up all the knowledge like a sponge, and now he's grown so much. He's teaching others himself. And he's got an amazing course packed with all the essentials I have taught him. It's just perfect for beginners. And if you want to start trading as soon as possible, follow the link to my Telegram and message the bot. I highly recommend his course. Now I found a great setup. Well, open 2 trades here using martingale to cover our losses. And we are downtrend. Just touch the moving average. The super trend is red and Williams hour shows overbought conditions. Thinking logically, the price should drop now. Let's watch. No strong movement yet, but it doesn't have to happen in an instant. Let's wait. Okay. It's time to move down. The price is bouncing around the start point. We still have 30 seconds. That's better, okay. Let's go lower, come on. I know you can. Yes! Finally. That's it! Perfect! Yes! So nice, guys. Amazing. Just amazing. What a perfect result. We've covered our losses and closed this trade just beautifully. Let's keep going. Looking at currency pairs, we could switch to crypto, but I think we'll find opportunities here. All right. I think we'll have to wait. Should we? Yeah, let's do it a bit. It's great setup. Okay, be ready and go. Alright, I've opened a long trade here. We've just bounced off the moving average. The trend is upward and volumes are in oversold zone. I think the price will bounce up now. Let's watch the chart. Well, this isn't looking good. Seems like there is a strong seller here. The trend has been changed. Maybe sellers have piled up around the recent high and are now dominating the market. Just can't do anything about that. Okay, let's wait. And look guys, things aren't so bad after all. If we climb just a bit higher, it will be great. And we still have time. 20 seconds left. It's time to wish good luck. Yeah, we are approaching the entry point almost. We are above it now, yes. Come on, yes. Oh my god. Oh my god, just on time. Oh, that's a loss? What the hell is this? Oh my god, why? Just a few seconds short. Alright, let's think. I'm not sure if it made sense to re-enter there. It wouldn't follow the strategy and could end badly. Plus, such an abnormal movement usually doesn't go well. So it's better to play it safe and look for better setups, maybe. Oh, nothing yet. If you don't find anything in the next couple of minutes, I think we can wrap up trading and move on to questions. We are already done well, earning quite a lot, even considering our losses. Here, nothing that's normal thing. By the way, when a chart has been trending up or down for a long time, it's better not to enter trades. You might get caught in a sharp trend reversal. It's best to trade during trend changes or bounces from a level, or when riding a relatively new trend where reversals are less likely. So far, no setups. The There is some that might be good, but it's quite risky and we've just taken a loss. We are not here to take unnecessary risks. That's why we use our brains and keep searching for trades. Still just nearly setups. Nothing solid. Well, if we don't find anything soon, I suggest we wrap it up. Yeah, let's do that. I'll turn off all the tools. Honestly, I don't see the point in trading today. We've earned very well. Let's take a look at our results. They're quite impressive. Scrolling down, look at this beauty. One, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, we'll stop count, just look. "27 trades we made, great job." Of course, it wasn't 27 setups, we had double and triple trades as well, but the fact remains we moved 27,000 bucks through the market in an hour and earned almost 10,000 bucks. Yes, we didn't call the last losing trade, but we earned 10,000 bucks in just over an hour. And if you were here for the whole stream, you'll agree, it's not that hard. With a bit of practice, you can achieve the same results. Let me help you by answering your question, guys. Okay, guys, I'm ready to answer your questions, and let's start. Let's start with the first one. I read it. Hey Leah, can you explain how MACD works, but like simple? Read about it online, but still don't get it. Super confusing. Okay. Of course, I'll try to explain more simply. I thought I already explained it in easy way, but I'll give it another shot. MACD consists of two moving averages and a histogram. The moving averages have different periods. They're above 0, then the trend is positive, and below 0, then it's negative. When they cross, you can assume the trend might soon reverse. You can customize the moving average periods as you like. The histogram is even simpler. It just subtracts one moving average from the other and shows the resulting fluctuations as candles. The histogram is mostly for observation, and personally, I not so often rely on it. But in some strategies, it can play a key role. And I hope this answers your question. Okay, let's go. Oh, let me find the second questions. Okay, here it is. Let me read it. Leah, you look so amazing. Oh my god, you're awesome and such a nice and cute. Thank you very much. But if you have any questions about this webinar, feel free to ask them here. Okay, and I will go to third question, I think, yes. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Hi Leah, what MA period should I use for 1 hour trades? Thanks in advance. That's a good question, and it depends on the strategy. If you're trading a moving average with an accelerator like RSI or MACD, you can choose a period of 50. Strategies like this need a longer moving average. This is also a strategy involving two moving averages where you enter trades when the price touches one of them or when they cross. In this case, you can set one moving average with a period of 10 and the other with a period of 15. And let's move on. Okay, what was this martingale thing? Another great question. And in short, it means doubling the trade size to cover a previous loss. This strategy carries high risk, but using it can help you get profit. And the key to martingale is to use it only when you're confident about the setup. I've already given an example, when you just miss taking a profit but see the price is likely to move in your favor. Okay, and moving on to the next one. Hi Leah, thanks for the webinar. You're so good at explaining stuff. Can you please tell what correction is and how to spot it? Okay, you're welcome. I'm glad you enjoying it. I hope it helps with your trading. As for corrections, let's break it down. Simply put, it's when the price of a stock or currency moves in the opposite direction of the main trend. Corrections happen when the price has moved too far in one direction, causing participants on the opposite side to become more active. And sorry, my phone is ringing. Sorry guys. Okay. And at some point they temporarily take control of the movement. And how long will it last? It's impossible to know for sure. There are no guarantees in the market. But if the trend is new, corrections are more likely than full trend reversals. To minimize risk, I recommend keeping up with financial news about the assets you're trading. If there is major news on a trading day, the chances of a strong and long-lasting trend are much higher. You can also monitor trading volume. If you see small price fluctuations that suddenly become sharp and intense within a certain range, it's likely that some big player has entered the market. Major traders can sometimes even reverse trends, but they usually cause corrections that are followed by a continuation of the previous trend. I hope that answers your questions. And let's do one more question before wrapping up. And let me find it. Okay. Let me find something interesting. Yes, how many hours trading session is good? Actually, it depends on your